Welcome to EcoClean Advantage, the home of a revolutionary DPF cleaning system. Driven by the need for a fast, highly effective, and non-destructive way to clean DPFs, we designed the first eco-friendly DPF cleaning system that cleans filters to like-new condition without the need for destructive kiln baking. Too good to be true? We invite you to take a closer look. Before the cleaning begins, the technician will inspect the filter for any damage and measure its airflow rate. The first step is to soak the DPF in our proprietary biodegradable solution. This loosens and breaks up the accumulated ash, soot, and other particulate matter for the cleaning process. After soaking, the filter is moved to the cleaning station. At this point, another filter can be placed in the soaking station, allowing for maximum throughput through the machine. Here, the filter is centered under the cleaning head, using laser crosshairs for positioning to ensure a precise and thorough cleaning. With the filter in place, the technician enters the filter diameter, chooses a normal or heavy cleaning cycle based on the condition of the filter, and starts the cleaning. The machine first performs a thorough rinsing of the inlet side of the filter to loosen any compacted ash and soot. Other water-based systems which use pulsed air or water can apply damaging pressures in excess of 2,000 pounds on the face of the filter. In contrast, the EcoClean process uses a continuous stream of low-pressure water on both sides of the filter, ensuring there is no damage to the filter during cleaning. Visual and audible signals indicate the end of the first cleaning phase, at which point the operator turns the DPF inlet side down. The automated washing process continues, ensuring a thorough, computer-guided deep cleaning of the entire filter. Pulsed water systems are unable to clean the edge of the filter, the area which contains the most soot. The EcoClean water head moves evenly across the entire surface of the filter, ensuring that even the edges of the filter receive a thorough cleaning. The EcoClean machine continually filters and reuses the water wash after wash, separating the soot and ash for easy recycling. Now that the cleaning cycle is complete, the filter is dried in a low-temperature drying oven or kiln. Finally, a read of the flow meter confirms the filter has been restored to like-new condition. Diesel engine OEMs now recognize that pneumatic cleaning is not adequate to clean DPFs anymore. The EcoClean process deep cleans your DPF without subjecting it to damaging temperatures or pressures. It is simply the safest way to thoroughly clean a filter. If you're still using bake and blow to clean your DPF, you owe it to yourself to try EcoClean liquid cleaning. Your filters will last longer and your mileage will improve. For more information and to get started, call EcoClean today at 407-547-2799.